This is the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. Just give me 3 minutes and I'll tell you everything you need to know about it. For those that have never used a gimbal before, this gadget will stabilize your phone footage so that when you're walking quickly or even when you're jogging, you don't get that shaky and jerky footage that makes you dizzy. So starting off, don't confuse this with the slightly cheaper Mobile 7. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7P has 3 additional tricks up its sleeve, which will definitely make it worthwhile getting this upgraded version. First up, check out this unassuming side module. Don't let its small size fool you. It houses a movement tracker that locks onto your chosen target perfectly. Here, I've set it to track a person, and the gimbal smoothly follows, keeping them in frame at all times. It also has a built-in light with adjustable brightness levels. That means no more fiddling with separate ring lights or spending ages fixing brightness in editing, saving you time and effort. Just look at the difference between the footage with the light on and off. There's also an integrated and hidden selfie extension, perfect for when you need that extra reach. Just pull it out like this and pop it back in afterwards. No need for separate accessories here. And the last extra feature is the zoom wheel, which lets you zoom in and out both easily and smoothly. Now for the features that both the Mobile 7 and 7P both share. The attachment of the phone is such an improvement. The grip is magnetic, so you just slip your phone in, snap it back onto the mount, so there's no more sliding your phone around trying to balance it to find that sweet spot. If you have an older version of the Osmo, you will know what I'm referring to. It has an integrated and hidden tripod that you pull out from the base, which makes a nice upgrade to my old Osmo, where the tripod was sold separately and I had to buy it myself. Plus, there's a screw hole at the bottom, so you can attach it to your own tripod if you want extra height. This handy toggle button is a 3-in-1. Press it once to switch between front and back cameras, twice to switch between portrait and landscape modes, and 3 times to change from photo to video. So all in all, this is a big step up from previous versions. If you're new to gimbals or want to upgrade, the Mobile 7P is definitely worth checking out.